Squirrel.
All right, we're setting up a slackline. Haven't done that in a while. All right, so this is Ryan.
Yeah.
And
Dude, the next gen.
we met in high school. Yeah.
Well, that's tough. Your sophomore year, my sophomore year, your freshman year. He's younger.
And so a lot of things have changed since then. 3 little ones.
Yeah, that's right. Say hi, Grayson. You say hi.
Hi.
Something that Ryan and I used to do when we were in college together, set up a slackline and practice balancing. We haven't done it in a really long time. We have a slackline here. We're gonna set it up, see if we can still do it.
I'll just cut it, and then they can use it on both sides.
So we have webbing, and this is probably like 50-60 feet of webbing, carabiners, some lobster claws, cardboard to wrap around the tree just so that we don't. We're gonna throw this line out, and this end will simply wrap around the tree. Wait, it's been a while since I've done this.
Yes.
Okay, let's get the lobster claw.
Here we go, Brett.
Lobster claw goes around the tree. We tie a bowl in, run down the webbing, making sure that this side stays up the whole way because you don't want it to be twisted. And then about right here, we'll put in just like a slip knot like that. Throw carabiner on it. So once you have your carabiner in the line right here, you wrap these lobster claws around this tree. So you want to make sure it wraps on the inside. So when you tighten it, it will stay in position. With the line straight, no twists. When you tighten it, it should hold itself. It's gonna be a little high, I think.
Yeah. All right.
All right,
Careful there,
it's
man.
pretty tight.
Jason, careful, big guy.
Yeah, don't fall on that.
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah.
Wow, that
You want to
snaps.
lower it a little? Oh. Hold on. Girl. Good. Look towards the end of the tree, bud. Whoa. Whoa. Center. Put your hand. Ah! You can do it. Engage the core. Oh, younger every day.
That used to be easy.
Man, that's.
Lay down.
What kind of video is this?
Oh, my
If he
fans.
starts unbuttoning.
The dog is so excited. Yeah. Nice. Look at that, man. What a. Oh, yeah.
He's okay, Chief. He's okay. What do you call him?
Chief, come here. Chief, come here.
Good boy. You just want to play, don't you? What's he doing? Hey. Chief, come here.
Yeah!
I was like,
Dude.
I was.
No grabbing onto it though, okay?
Oh!
No way.
Slackline.
Oh, good falling, man.
Watch him. No pressure.
Alright, I'm gonna try to flip off. Yeah, come on, hold it!
Ah.
Yeah! Give him a clap. Yeah, dude.
Oh,
She wants to say it. High five.
Oh my
yeah,
god.
you did
Dude,
it.
you did.
Oh, nicely done.
Yeah, I thought you had a branch. I was like, hold on to it. Yes.
All right.
You get on and I'll give it to you.
That's so
You could have 12 falls in 1 second with that. Just push, push, push.
Ryan and I used to set up 2 different slack lines, and then we would play frisbee with each other from one slack line to the other, and we'd both be balancing. We'd just see how many passes we could do or how long we could go. And it's a really good like ab exercise, but then it's also a good leg exercise as well. You fall off the wrong way, it'll snap you. And so we'd often have like
People want to know
these like welts on our legs or welts on our arms from falling off.
how fun it was. Yeah, it's like when you climb or do a different sport that is physically demanding for the first time. It's like it's defeating, and then it's like addicting.
And this is just a 1-inch webbing. A lot of people nowadays have like a lot thicker slackline that makes it a lot easier to walk on. They're thicker, but it is also easier if you're barefoot. And so when it's warm weather and everything, you can do it barefoot, and it's actually easier to balance. You can feel the webbing with your feet.
Hang on it, Ram. Whoa, good girl.
It's been a blast being able to hang out with Ryan and Chrissy and their family, and getting able to catch up with them. And they're from the Northwest as well, but they're living here in Philly right now just temporarily. So it just worked out that we were over here and we were able to meet up with them. And if you're new to our channel, we've been traveling for the last 8+ months all around the country visiting our friends and family. We don't necessarily know where we're gonna end up. We're starting to kind of plan on heading back towards the Northwest, but we have quite a few stops along the way that we want to do. So follow along, push the subscribe button all the way in if you want to follow our journey, and we'll see you in the next one. Hats off to you.
You ready?
All right, let's take it down. Yeah, go ahead.